Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a really quick craft haul video. I have items that I purchased from HSN, scrapbook.com, Trinity stamps, Altenew, Hobby Lobby, and Simon Says stamps. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to share with you a repeat purchase. This is the Anna Griffin Celestial card toppers that I purchased off of HSN. I purchased this again because I love it so much. It has 84 card embellishments, 24 card layers, 24 sentiments, and 24 bows to help you make wonderful cards. Let me show you what all you receive in the kit. So these are the sentiments, and they are layered. You have a Make-A-Wish, have a Stellar Birthday, Thank My Lucky Stars for You. So just really cute sentiments. And then you get some little toppers that are for the different zodiac signs, and they are puffed up a little bit, one layer, so two layers actually. And then you get the little pieces for your cards and paper for your cards, and they are gold foiled. And then on the opposite side, they are not foiled, so you can use either one, whichever one you prefer, which these are so pretty. And then you have the little squares adhesives. And then I thought I'd put on a piece of paper some of the embellishments that you get. So it's a serious glare here, but here are some of the embellishments that you get in the kit. La, la, la. Sorry, I've been known to break out in songs sometime for no good reason. And then here's some other ones, and once again it's just a serious glare here, sorry about that. And then you get the 24 bows, so you should check it out. It's on HSN. It's a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. And then I wanted to show you something that I made for my craft room out of the items, and once again it's a lot of glare because we got some shiny stuff here. So this is just a Dollar Tree frame, and then I just put my sign in there, which is actually part of the dies. They have complimentary dies, or is that how you say it, that go with this set and that you purchase separately. So it's the Capricorn sign and then some of the embellishments from the kit. So I just wanted to share that with you because I really like it, and I think you will too. So from scrapbook.com, I purchased this clear side, double-sided adhesive rope. I've never used theirs before. This is 3/4 inch, and I'm pretty sure it's just like the score tape that I'm used to using. And I also, they had a really good sale, and I also purchased some adhesive foam. And this is a big roll, huh? It's a lot of foam. Let's see. From Altenew, I picked up a couple of stamp sets. The first one's a little bitty one, but I just love the sentiment. One friend can change your whole life. Thank you for changing mine. How wonderful would that be to send to a friend? I can't wait to use that. And then I also picked up this one. It's called It's For You. It's a layered stamp set. It has some really cute sentiments. One of them is friendship is when you call someone for no reason. How many of you have a good friend that you do that? You just call them and just to say hi. And then it also came with the die. It has a die that I purchased separately. And I did stamp out and cut out the phone, sorry. This one is 2 layers that I used, and then this one is all 3 layers. So really cute old school phone. And then from Altenew, I got this stamp set. It's called Holiday Wishes. Lots of sentiments, and I love that they're small because I intend to send out small cards this year for Christmas, a smaller card than I normally send out. So I thought this would be perfect. So I stamped it out using a new stamps ink pad that I purchased. The Simon Says Intense Black, and it's black and it's pretty good. And then I wanted to test it against my VersaFine, which I realized needs to be re-inked. Look good too. And then I also tried the Gina K Designs amalgam, maybe, ink. Not sure about the pronunciation. But some of the symptoms read, hoping this Christmas brings you the same joy you bring to my life every day of the year. That's pretty good. And then, of course, just simple Merry Christmas. And then, let's see. May peace be your gift this Christmas and your blessing the whole year through. So, super cute sentiments and a bunch of them, which I love. The most interesting thing I think I purchased was this Trinity stamps. They had this stencil. It's called Slimline Series Tree of Life. So it's 2 stencils. You get 2 stencils with 2 trees each, and they're like layering. And I put the little letters on here because they are marked, but they are really hard to see. So that is a suggestion to you. So let me show you some examples. So this first one, I used my Distress Oxides, and I think I just chose colors that were too close to each other. So not a lot of definition in that one. And then this next one, I said, okay, well then I'll just choose a whole bunch of wild colors. So this one turned out pretty cute. And then I tried my Gina K Design ink cubes, and you can see that my blending brush wasn't clean enough. Wonder who did that? Me. And this is the result of that one. I like the greens. I think those are pretty. But then come my favorite two. I used my little Distress Cubes and my blending brush for this one. It's really pastel looking. And this is Wild Honey, Worn Lipstick, Scattered Straw, Spun Sugar, Distress Inks. Super cute. I like. And then I tried to cheat and just dip the cube on the stencil. Yeah, that doesn't work. That's funny. And then the one I like the most, I used old paper, frayed burlap, antique linen, and then I used a metallic stencil paste by Momenta that I purchased at Tuesday Morning a while back. I couldn't find the little spatula thing. I have since found it since I did this test. So I just only put a little bit on here just to see how it looked. But I think this will be the one I use for Christmas, and maybe this one too. But I really like the way that looks. Very understated, and then with a little bit of bling from the from the metallic paste. So that was from Trinity Stamps. And then last but not least, well, from Simon Said, I did purchase the ink pad. I purchased 2 because they were supposed to be so great, but I may be giving one away in a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. From Hobby Lobby, I just picked up some bling, mostly. Well, that's what I picked up. First off, I found this cute little jewelry piece in the clearance section, and I just thought this would be really cute on a card hanging. And it's a little bird on a limb. Paper Studio was 50% off, so I picked up some adhesive gems, these really pretty purple ones. And these iridescent ones. I'm trying to cut there a little bit. And then these pink and purple. And these are my favorite. Look how pretty those are. Just gorgeous. And then I picked up some little bows. They're called red bows, a piece by La Petite. And I've been wanting these for so long, and I finally found them in store. So I picked up 2 packs of those. And then I picked up a pack of the white. So that's my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And consider subscribing. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it, especially when you leave me a comment to let me know what you like, or thanking me for sharing the video. That always means so much to me, and also a thumbs up. So thank you guys. I'll talk to you soon, and have a good week. Bye.